it's Cinzia from Digital Media Stream here. Today we are gonna see how to look at Google Ads data and metrics in Hubspot. So first you have to make sure your Google Ads account is connected to your Hubspot account. So if you want to check if the Google Ads account is connected, you have to go to the top menu and click Setting at the top. Then go here on the Marketing, Tools, Marketing, and click Ads. Here we can see the Google Ads account is connected. We have the ad account name and the ad account number. If you don't see your ad account here, it means it needs to be connected. So you have to click Connect Account and then click Google Ads. If you are not able to connect your Google Ads account, it means you are not admin of the Google Ads account or you are admin with another email. So make sure you're using the same email to connect your Google Ads account and Hubspot. Now that we know that your Google Ads account is connected, we can look at the metrics. So if we go to Marketing here on the left menu and click Ads. So this is the ad dashboard. So you can select your Google Ads account here, select date range, attribution report, and you will see all the data here. You should be able to see all the list of campaign. If you click on the campaign, you should also see the different ad groups. If you click on the ad groups, you should be able to see the keywords, the ads, and also negative keywords. So here you have a list of metrics, and you can also add new metrics if you want, like for example conversion rate, cost per click, cost per lead, and then you can save them. This dashboard at the top is a summary of your performances for a specific campaign or just in general for all your Google Ads campaign. Here, you should be able to see if your Google Ads campaign are bringing a positive return on investment. There is also another way to look at your Google Ads metrics in Hubspot. So if you go here on the left menu under Reporting and Data and you click Reports, you will land on this page where you can see on the left Report Collection. Click Traffic and you will get this dashboard. So from here, you can have a look at the overall session, new contact, customer, and so on across all channels. If you want to look at your Google Ads campaign, you can scroll down and see the source here. So paid search is related to your Google Ads campaign. So you can see the session to contact rate, new contact, and so on. And this is in the last 30 days. So you can choose a different date range and you can choose a different analytics view. Also, you can have a detail about your campaign on Google Ads. If you click on paid search, for example, you can see a detail of how your campaign are performing. Here is the list of campaigns we have active on Google Ads, and here we have the session to contact rate, new contact. You can also click on the contact here and see all the list of your contact. Also, you can click on the specific campaign and you can see the terms. So here you will see a specific term, and then the session you got from each term and the number of contact you got from each term. This is really useful as you can optimize the campaign based on this data. So if you see that there is a term that is bringing high conversion rate, good number of contacts, low conversion, low cost per contact, you can focus on these specific keywords. So also you can go at the top and click on UTM parameters and select here the UTM parameter campaign, source, medium, content, term, and you can see all the detail we were just talking about now. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.